What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the XRP chart, daily chart. We're taking a look. Welcome to the channel, guys. Appreciate all of the new subs. Taking a look at XRP this morning, down 0.5%. Nothing crazy. We're going to talk about a couple different scenarios here. Wrap this video up. Going to be a pretty short video. Taking a look at Bitcoin as well towards the end. XRP respecting levels once again. Major resistance at 50,842 right here. Overhead supply at the lower end of this basing structure here, which got broken on the 14th. Wedge higher, resistance at 50842. What's a couple scenarios that could play out here? We could, one, this is a rising wedge. Let's not forget that. Rising wedges do what? They break to the downside like we saw over here. Now, that doesn't mean we're going to put in a lower low, as in, doesn't mean we're going to undercut the low over here on the 16th. It could mean we get a slight pullback, which stops anywhere in between where it's at now and the 45,546 low. So let's call it right here at 47,060 for video purposes. And then we get that move like that, higher high. So it doesn't mean we're heading into a lower low. It could mean we're pulling back to a higher low, and then we're going to move to the upside to a higher high, that big leg to the upside that could follow. That's a possibility. What's also a possibility is we have this little topping head and shoulders pattern here that could do what? Break to the downside. It's not perfect by any means, but keep it in mind. These rising wedges could easily break to the downside in a big way. That's two scenarios that could play out for XRP. Here's a rising wedge right here. Broke to the downside. We are stair-stepping to the upside, which is nice for XRP. We have a lower high. We have a higher high. Excuse me. We have a lower high. We have a higher low. We have a higher high. We have a higher low. But right now, the warning signs, we have a lower high. So that's scenario number one that could play out, or scenario number two is that lower low. So just keep in mind that either is possible right now. And like I said, we'll take a quick look at Bitcoin before wrapping this video up. Major resistance for XRP right now is 50842 and also 55 cents. 55 cents has been resistance. Let's see. We have back in here, looks like the 23rd of September resistance. Didn't quite get up there on the 9th of October, but we got very close. 54 cents. Major resistance over here, the 29th of March. Major resistance once again on the 13th of June. So that's 1, 2, 3. 3 times we hit the price. 4, 5, basically 6 times we've gotten up to this 54 to 55 cent, and the price has been pushed down. So under the right circumstances, when the market is ready to move to the upside, the break that we get above 55 cents should be very, very strong. Doesn't mean it's going to get us, to $10. My targets are in the mid 60 levels. It's all up in here. 68, 63, give or take. It's very conservative. I get it. It's not $10,000. But XRP is also only at 49 cents. So that's my thoughts on this right now. We're in the middle now. If we don't print a higher low, this thing could be heading back down to the mid to low 40s. So we'll see what happens here. Hopefully the lawsuit, the Ripple XRP, the Ripple SEC lawsuit comes to a conclusion here. As we've read and listened to different people, as Garlinghouse has said, that would be nice now, wouldn't it? How many years now? It's been well over 2. So anyways, that's my thoughts on XRP. Keep your eye on a higher low being printed, and then we get that next rally, which can usually be pretty strong and lead to a big breakout to the upside. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin has had a very nice rally higher off support here. Basically a straight up to the 30K mark. We have 3 resistance levels there. 30,000, 234, 186, and 141. So far we have a double top. The price is holding up well. If the price doesn't pull back too much and start to basically retrace that whole move, it's only a matter of time until we get that next leg higher, taking us up into that $31,000 to $34,000 targets that I've had on my chart. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments on 1, Bitcoin, 2, XRP. I'm an XRP bull, okay? Held XRP for the past couple years, and then going back to 2017, 18, trading in and out of XRP and a bunch of other cryptos in that crazy bull market. So I would benefit greatly if XRP price goes higher. But I'm not going to ignore the fact that XRP is finding resistance at 55 and 50. Currently, potentially going to print a lower low here, and could take us back down into the sub 40-cent range. Hopefully, it prints a higher low and rocket ships past 55, getting us, heading towards that dollar mark. But there's a lot of roadblocks before that, and it could happen quick. It's Friday. Maybe we get news today from Judge Torres, and the price just absolutely rockets something like this. That would be great. And it's possible. Of course, it's possible. So let me know your XRP price targets down in the comments. Guys, have a great Friday. I'll catch you in the next video, hopefully, and maybe at a much higher XRP price. Take care.